Piece of greatness to the great ones, man. Piece of greatness to the legends, man. It's the king, Donito. Back with another MukBang. MukBang. I got my food right here. Hey, let me show you what I'm eating today, man. So I see like everybody's liking the MukBang. Like, I like what I'm be eating, so. So I'm gonna show y'all. I got me a kale, basil nut, avocado, sprouts, salad. This is right here. I believe it's a tomato turmeric soup. Yeah, so it's tomato turmeric soup. Bless me up with the extra sauce. Oh, let's go. And then I got my I got my sweets, but this is like a plant-based, I won't say plant-based, but vegan Snickers. Hopefully y'all can see that. Gratitude, man. I love food. I had a workout earlier. Hopefully they're gonna report you. I'm blessed. I worked out earlier. I am hungry. So update on my raw diet. I'm loving it. I'm not gonna lie. Like I love feeling light. I love having more energy. My body's not really working like how it used to. Cause I used to eat like a lot of cooked food. So lately, I've been feeling so light. I've been feeling so energetic. Man, like everything has just been blessings, man. And shout out to my great one. Shout out to my legends, man. I've been vibing, y'all. Like I've been really having a lot of more energy. Like I didn't know I can get more energy, bro. It's so freaking blessings, dog. No. When you do that, that's how you know that thing is slap, boy. Oh, I'm gonna say my little prayer though. Thank you, God, for the food. Thank you, God, for everything that I have today. Thank you, God, for all the experience I already experienced. I'm open to receive. I'm ready to have a powerful, abundant, more rewarding day. I'm just grateful for everything once again. Let's go. I had to say a little prayer. And I'm grateful for this meal. I'm grateful for you. Yeah, man. Got my raw alfalfa sprouts, avocado, ensalada. Slapping this bitch, boy, this bitch good, boy. Yeah, y'all, man, I've been having a lot of fun. I've been having way more energy. I had a chest day earlier, so I kind of went it wasn't too heavy, but I feel like, I don't know, especially on my journey on SR, bro, like, and especially like fasting with that, like I really see like why it's good to fast while you're on your SR journey, cause bruh, all this extra boost, all this extra testosterone, all this extra energy, bro. Bro, it's crazy, bro. It's crazy, y'all. Like, all this extra energy, bro. It's crazy. But they really blessed up with the salad, though. I've been hitting, bro. Let me try the soup for y'all. Let me try try the soup for y'all. I ain't gonna lie, the salad, that be a 9, bro. I ain't gonna lie, that be hitting, bro. It's not a salad, it's a 9. Oh. Let me try the sopa, the soup. Soup is. I like it. 7.5. I mean, it might be an 8. Hold on. Hey. Nah, my food is hitting though. I'm just so grateful to be eating today, man. I'm just so grateful to post videos. I'm just so grateful for everything, man. I really show gratitude to all the things that I have right now, man. God always gives me what I need. And sometimes, well, not sometimes, but in the past, I used to take it for granted. So in this moment, bro, I am very, very happy, bro, because I have food and I have healthy food too. So, hey, man, I'm just grateful to be doing what I'm doing, man, live this lifestyle. I don't take nothing for granted no more, bro. I really do appreciate and count my blessings, man. Because there's someone out there that wish that was in my shoes, man. I'm just very grateful to be who I am and to do what I do. So always show gratitude and appreciation, y'all. That's very important. Just a quick little video for him. For my great ones and others. You know what I'm saying? The grind don't stop, man. Just want to show y'all what I'm eating today. Yeah, man. Wish y'all nothing but love, success, high energy, more smiles, more greatness, more blessings. Hope you have an amazing day, amazing night, wherever you at. And man, keep evolving, man. Let's go. Shout outs to you. Shout outs to her. Shout outs to him. Shout out, shout out, shout out, shout outs. Bro, this salad is so good, bro. Thank you, universe. Thank you, God. Thank you, great ones and legends, for all the support, too. Appreciate y'all, man. See you on the next video, man. Hey!